Hi everyone, my name is Adi. In this channel we are discussing about the how to trace the program and how to write the program. Before that, everyone want to join in IT sector. It may be developer, test engineer and data science, etc. So if you want to join in as a developer, tester, data scientist, you must be understanding the program, and each and every company want to now write a program. So before that, that people may be IT people or non-IT people. So IT people is maybe it is very easy to write the program, but non-IT people do some hard work. So in this channel, I am discussing more about to the non-IT people who are joining to the IT sector. So before we go to the program, some introduction I will give in. So programming. What is programming? Programming means it is provide a computer or other machine with coded instructions for the automatic performance of a task. So in the system can be understand only bytecode. So we will not understanding that bytecode or machine understandable language, ML. In this means, so that's why we are learning C, Java, C++, Python, C#, like that. Every language it will be mediator between the user and machine. So the machine can understand the bytecode. Machine understanding only bytecode. So that bytecode can be we can write by using these languages. We can write any one languages, and user will be instant. Bytecode nothing but machine level language. So before going to the solve the problems, I can give 3 words. I have given 3 words. What is mean now? First W means why, how, what. Why I write the program, how it will be work, and what is the use of this program. These 3 words, if you want to write any program, these 3 words is more important. Why I need to write the program, how it will work, what is the use of this program. So if you want to develop any program, analyzing is more important, understanding is more important, basics is more important, paperwork. Here I mentioned basics. Basics means it is maybe very different languages like Java, C, C++, Python. It may be your wish. Each language you can use. So paperwork. Before upcoming videos you will understand what is the use of paperwork. So analyzing. If you want to develop any programming, analyzing is more important and understanding is more important. So if you want analyzing, paperwork is more important. Paperwork means it will going to the step by step process, how the programming will be working. Step by step process, the programming, how it will be working. Okay. Next, if you want to join IT company, every IT company minimum 3 rounds, maximum based upon the higher company, like higher company maybe 7 rounds or 10 rounds. If you want to join, minimum 3 rounds is required. So first round is online test round, second round is programming round, third round is HR round. So online test round, here aptitude, reasoning, logical thinking, questions, everything, verbal, everything asking in this online test round. If you good in this one, if you easily crack this round. But programming round, IT people maybe it is very easy, but non-IT people, you are thinking about this round. Why? Because in this round they are given different programmings. So if you analyzing the programming, if you analyze that test cases now, that test cases, it is very difficult. And they are given 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 15 minutes, like that they are given. In this time you cannot solve, in this time you cannot analyzing, if you cannot analyzing. So analyzing is more important and paperwork is more important. Okay, so that's why in this channel I am discussing about the only logics, not the program, not the languages. I will tell one difference, what is the difference between languages and logics. So if you take the C language and Java language, hash include conio.h, hash include stdio.h, void main, int I equals to 0, for I equal to 0, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus, printf %d comma I plus I, get ch, close the bracket. So in Java we can write class number, public static void main string args, for int I equals to 0, I less than equals to 10, I plus plus, system.out.print, print the I value. If you observe this both programs, the output will be same. The output is same, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. The output is same. But if you observe, in C language we can write like this, in Java language we can write this like this, but logic is same. This is the logic. Logic is same. To print 0 to 10 numbers, 0 to 10 numbers, logic is same. So that's why I am not discussing about the languages, I am discussing about the how to write logics. So in this channel I am using Java. By using Java we can write these logics. Why? Because I am using Java. Nowadays every company asking write a Java program, by using about test cases. So like that I am using Java. So in this channel I am discussing about the patterns, numbers, strings, company related programs. In patterns everything we will come, like triangle, reverse of the triangle and half triangle, like that. These triangles I will discussing about this channel, and numbers and strings, company related programs. Okay, by upcoming videos we are discussing about the patterns. Every video I will upload two logic programs. Okay, so thank you everyone. If you understand the what I am discussing, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.